Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm having a bit of a clear out. I've got my collection of video recorders and I'm actually having a bit of a clear out, and so we've got here about 18 video recorders. So we can go through some of them. We've got a Panasonic NV-230, which is absolutely mint, works beautifully. Sony, what is that? Sony NV-356 sort of works. Amstrad VCR-4700, that actually works absolutely fine, just a dim display. A parts machine, Sanyo VTC-5000 Betamax. A parts machine, was it a Baird 8922, which is like the old Ferguson Videostars. That's a top loader. Then we've got a NV-8600B, I believe, top loading first gen VHS machine. Over here we've got Hitachi VT-130, something like that. Works absolutely fine, that's in great condition. The Sharp there is a VC6, what is it? VC639M, something like that. Sort of works, but it keeps on struggling to lace properly. Then we've got a Mitsubishi at the bottom here, a Mitsubishi HS303. It does play, but the display is quite noisy, even though it's got a brand new head in it. Something, I think it's something electronics on that one. And then over here we've got a working Ferguson Videostar 3V39. That's actually playing quite nicely there. We've got an Akai VS1EK. That doesn't work, it's got a power supply problem. And we've got a reasonably good working Panasonic NV-366 top loader. Then we've got a very rare, what is it, a Philips VR-6920 Matchline. That does power up but doesn't play. And then we've got three Panasonics. This one here is NV-777. That actually does work quite well. It's got one or two faults, but nothing serious. Then we've got two NV-788s, and they do play, they do run, but they just need fettling. They do really need new belts. That's what they really need. And then over here are two Grundig 2x4 Video 2000 machines. Power supplies are popped in them. They're all complete inside, but yeah, they just need the power supply sorting on them. So, reason I'm having to clear out is I'm trying to clear the loft, and I just don't have time to look at some of these. So there's 5 good working ones, and the rest are partials or parts machines. And yeah, it's actually, the ones which work are in pretty much good condition. So yeah, so having a bit of a clear out there. I've just been testing one or two, the Ferguson and the Hitachi there. That one, the NV-366, I know that works because I completely refurbished that one. That's absolute mint and works. The Amstrad works as well quite nicely. The Panasonics play, and you get a really good picture out of them. It's just belts which make them, slips a rewind and fast forward doesn't really work very well. Replace the belts, perfectly good working machines. So yeah, I just have to have a clear out. I'm also having a clear out of other bits and pieces. I've got a linear record table there, a turntable there. I've got a fairly powerful HP Z420 workstation, 2 Dell computers. And then I've also got a couple of laptops, older laptops, which I'm selling. So yeah, I've put I'll put the eBay link in the description. I think they're all up for about 100 quid starting price. So it's about £6 a machine. I think that's pretty good value considering that alone will probably sell for about 70 quid. That's about 40 quid, so you've made your money. That's probably about 30 to 40 quid. And that is probably, again, about 50 quid, something like that, to sell. So just those 5 machines would pay for all of this and give you a bit of profit, and all the rest is fix them up and sell them on, and you're looking at maybe £300 or £400 worth of profit in that. I just don't have time. I genuinely don't have time to deal with eBay buyers and go through all the kerfuffle of trying to post these and all that. I just don't have time to do that. I really don't. So eBay items will be in the description. Come and get it, because as I said, I'm even considering actually junking the ones that don't work. So yeah, it is what it is. Some of these machines are going to be junked. I think Colin at Video 99 may have those two. We're currently chatting to him about those two, the Grundigs. I don't particularly want to split them up. I'd rather just them all go. Go to somebody who can do something. I might sell the 5 working ones for about 150 quid. Or you can have, again, 100 quid, 120 quid, you can have the whole lot and make a bit of money out of them. Right, well, thanks for watching. Keep a lookout for the eBay item I've got going on it. And see you on the next video.